Agradaa nsem yi efa ni 15 years jail term a yedi amanu yi. Ne lawyer abechire mu se 15 years. Enye 5 years said ye abronye ene Captain Smart keka no there be 15 years in yedi amanu no wachire mu. Sanso na Agradaa case mako 5 a ewo court a omunya ndi wiye. Apart from the yedi nakotumu yebetie nchiremu no. Ne lawyer achire mu se na Agradaa se kwado yedi abono no enkofo bi wo mu a judge no ka se omoye collaborators ne chese time a oye all night no ochiche sika bi a na sika no nkofo bi tim judge ne chese omunyina aka na Agradaa ho na ochiche sika no ma omo yebetie nchiremu no. The lawyer chese adenti na judge no anchi sa nkofo no so nka ho because abatement of crime na is almost support there na Agradaa ye no se sa kwadu no omo de bo na Agradaa ma 15 years dia. Intibeti lawyer omo decision a omo ayo ma so be appeal no sign no be si akono ne said ye esitie na Mike 2 achiri mu se nya no krese 1 gig akwa akotutu na Agradaa sorry numu ne dan mu se omo asi ama nwram na nsa na no big Akwes mire bi echi na Agradaa e won nsem we hu ne nsem bi hu no obeka se ono yeyi ni free mu kura na ono enye one na Agradaa na ye adwuma wo so tu
nana e dey ankofo ba attack me simply because omo a omo adwuma nye du no ana omo ba attack me tie ni yi ye wo hanom Ghana ha ana eye yeni ankasa Mess Good e buy shata ekoye advert de ma Mess Good ana eye Stombo ekoye advert ma Mess Good Joy Blessing ekoye advert ma Mess Good Becca munya ekoye advert ma Mess Good but Mess Good ene egu ye na nkofo sika koshimi mimi kwa involve mi sika koshimi sika koshimi wie no why na call shata honom so kwa kogini sika mimi ye adwuma ewo strong ewo eye tende TV ana Agradaa ye na adwuma ewo eye sotum ana Agradaa ba meme nchen ewo strong ewo tende TV wo ana mimi ye interview ye interview ni wi a osori a ono okọ na adwuma ewo sotum minko sotum bi me ye presenter mimi no ba me ho interview no enti se me no obi a interview awie na se simpa ko no ko ne so akobo na advert no TV station so a enka nche me se so okoye no enhihia ode ma se ye no ebi ade ko na go through ebi a okoye no ka se yesi obi a wankwa ankoye oniema na okope no nsa anka mimi de I don't involve in it me nka ho sai na nke ka ne dia anka Mess Good nke nyen ko Jessica o chatalo wana se Stombo wana se Joy Blessing ho but e ba e o mutinche ono anka se ne da no ane ene ne ko no one kasa Mess Good na down ene ne aban ene ne kwase be obetua e ka I still like kwasika enyamba mu no eni ntine so wo bibia ne ma me mu na ere enka ba mimi de I'm out
akomni nchire mu ne wa kire mu ye pa o
yes anetie
nti na nya se bia o ka tim no ho dendende o ye aduma on TV e na oba no mo mu meeting ene mu interview
no ko na mso me ko
wa wie
onye aduma wo ho wato ne airtime TV station ye ne dia but airtime no wato ana ye manager ana ye Enoch so ana ye manager no bosumi bia no o says de mama me no nti airtime mama ne bo no wato nti airtime no so no bebo no ko na me so ndie so me so me money show ni wi na Enoch ababeto aso no so e Ghana nti o wi a na sponsor ba ye wi se pe ne ko na advert me mame no interview me mame no wo ni abeye ye wi na okona me so me ko mbayi nti so o ko ka se o ko ye no se de kosi enti no big Akwes ye se pe na omo madwumu omre no ene kasa but omo madwumu du no be ka che o se enkasa ye nkoje efi big Akwes na big Akwes is on involve
eno na Ghana for the video aba out a omo chese big Akwes adinti na wo twa ntro sa because wo ye advert na wo so tium ho o se na wo nko so tium ho na adinti na wo ko ho na wo kamfo adwuma na Agradaa ye
Ghana is mama I am the great than Agradaa na so I won't cry so tium last stop uhwe eye ka sapake yanom na uhwe se de nipa ni asia bere ebe pesika gare ni bia ese woni na Agradaa se ba hu cook ba beshi ba ring ba WhatsApp ba Facebook afidie sika fufuo na ba no onu kwa ni konfo ba ko a obeti meyi se sika ni bi ade abo Ghana de hye yakuni hwe nipa guo me pesika gare ni bi di machi don't waste my time let's go anyhow ese woni empanifo se gadu dachi hiyanwa wa brabo e basa abia che ho ahomachia na yam hihyewo wo mo na ba no wo so to ye den abusafo me ma munyina majo na mo ho ye de na se siga guarantee na mo baare yakupo nhira mo se de ma ba no mo nsa ebeka sika gale sika gale sika gale sika gale sika gale sika gale na say wunya bi na so mambia obeto pega
Mike 2 of multimedia Adom FM HSL 1 gig na Agradaa nua 1 gig onko 2 punu bia mu so ma asiama enko ho debi
enano ada eba beto odwa se 1 gig akwakoto asori ne asiama afie anase Agradaa asori ne fie ho enokro bia anim sa se enokro bia anim mene ya amani akasa ose enokro bia anim but ebreba mu a ebe frɛ no asa aka akyere Ghana fo nyina mote sa asɛm na momo ntumu sɛ wakoto asodan ni mu ɛna wasan akoto Agradaa fie ho sɛ wama asiama nkɔ ho enko fie ho anya no krɛ nti momo sa asɛm no ntumu.
Now this is the 5 cases ɛwɔ court apart from the yɛde Nana Agradaa kotum 15 years no.
Unim say apart from circuit court in some way no. There are 5 other live cases in court against circumstances surrounding Winnie a bit different from the normal ones.
And I say cases in the 5 for some.
Other case a case involving Prophet Akwes Appiah. Agradaa is standing trial for allegedly assaulting Prophet Akwes Appiah in 2020. And no ever court.
2020.
Said that's what court. A live case.
Number
2. There is a case on indecent materials. I'm saying Agradaa was charged under the Cyber Security Act for distributing intimate images of Prophet Emmanuel Appiah Enim without consent. She was granted bail. Saki is almost granting a bail of 200,000 Ghana cedis with 2 justified sureties and also a live court. Or share allegedly or share papano intimate pictures. Number 3. The defamation lawsuit Empress gifted say no so almost
and there's a fresh one.
Yeah, fresh 20 million Ghana. Of course, I don't know criminal. The defamation is civil. The other day car no to about first 2 no criminal. And almost say other pending case. Agradaa has 3 apart from the Amabuino. 3 separate cases pending before different circuit court in Accra, and also related to charges of defrauding by false pretenses and a charlatanic identity on the way now or sign with the same 10-3 SIL court. But what happens?
That's what come.
That's what happens?
And your lawyer and lawyer. I mean, lawyer cries. They say we didn't. Lawyer.
What happens? They say if she is found guilty on all the other cases now, na court no impose consecutive or concurrent sentences. No, they can say of all the charges no, the sentence and the highest no. Na omo impose no in the bia say charlatanic advertisement bia was oko 1 year, defrauding by false pretense was oko 10 years, all the other offenses was oko 5 years, 6 years, 7 court debate back and say okay 10 years no one na cover nina and no there was say omo bompai. But I'm still interested in even on this one. The NRI the sentence no send the lawyers never kwa appeal
na ya hwe ne
be kwa
na ne lawyer achirichire mu de si wo court ho ene de omususu se omode ntro to Nana Agradaa so ene said the judgment by na e too harsh to the extent say suban Nana Agradaa say otimu bi na eye judge na hiu say ye ho ye hiu omo 15 years.
Richard Asare Bafo Esquire ewa ahoma no so cancer memo ha.
Yeah,
now what to say?
Yes, I don't. You hear pa na pa so so well.
Erade adame hoye. We dey me ma wo drink kwa meka se due ana mo dwumadie mu no e drink kwa na due.
Anya de foforo e dwumadie. Okay. Court no when it is so ti ba ko de de ba ana no nya wie ye. Ti business ad ko ti ba ko sen so hwim ni pa ye.
Na just say okay just my dwen say mo be appeal.
By all means.
Na ehwe fa na wo hu se ade we de sintobi baby judge ehwe fa na wo hu se ade no.
Okay, ti ba menche mu se mu nche. On se ye bo no ko adu no mako enum.
Okay.
Judge no tena se no. Wa ja no se mienu no oni ho fo. Na ye ya no se. On se wo criminal trial mu no. I just say bobo akeba say first half and second half. First half no bra prosecution no na dance but answer to advance for na no. It is a prosecution we in the case na judge na hwem na so submission. No first bibi go what say dey no ye ba na. it is a human to be aware as I said, they are me bar. And son of Manasser is any young fair dancer. Now, Sabbath and the International Muya association of their man. It's a court. I can say, wouldn't for a 4th and 5th council. Now, reason or they must say, wouldn't move on. And they say, prosecutor and for a dance be amra. They attend here. That means that time or catcher say they you one on. No, Nina Subia or the catcher say you one. So that's it. And the so make a dance be back. Now, Judge Musa dance there by no the best number say Obofour and Tiffany. It is a judge now after say about part 1 and the part 2 in my jaw can 4 and can 5. If it's a prosecution and for a dance be a they are there a museum. If you say be na what boating for kwan bi so nti na ochi nipa no mo fa anu yemra ana say that person the pan beka sa na ugina na anu asem so na ode twa na so ana to so fe try no dia e de judge me kan no nimra no boy bra kakra e de no kwan po say ye ho for no na de o say ye ho for no so de asem no ne kan no nya de on say Agradaa no so de no na kasa why no number binti no ne ho abatan asem ne ba ne kafa do ho na no ne nipa ne nyina adwen ne say ma melody for
na ye de eniema na wo hu ye
ye e ba ne say ya sorry ana oye all night ana oye advert say dini baby na o sika 300,000 obeche enti obi biara abeba all night ni bi no obema 300,000 ni bi eti enipa bi no ko asore ho ana mo kire se mo ko asore no ma me ka se o mo form groups of 20 na obi an contribute 500 so contribute 500 na obema osika ni bi eti nipa mienu se o mo ko asore dem ho o mo form group no ba ko so otua 540 na ba ko so otua 500 na so mo tua sika ni wie no ma me na ma no sa sika ni bi asem ni nyina ni o
nse na nipa no so e ba abonten sa atam na mo do so pa na ne mo de e ko court no ho asem nko na wo ka ho asem
asem the back court no e ka and the abonten.
That is fantastic.
The court no nipa mienu na back court say ba ko so tia 500 and ba ko so tia 540 na so sika no o ma anya bi so asem no isi no na me ni hobi
okay
na judge no so in hobi
yeah
na so ni chi say me say you have video recording say asem the court so nyina no they were recording over. It's a prosecution and Casabano or the video recording by. And I see ye one of the recording by. But the feeder assembly season, Brian Mameno, I do myself about Troy, and then I dance on the band and say, depending on a public idea, minimum, or Mamma de movie. It is only lawyer in the crowd now. Like a first name and say, video. When you tell me, beer, send the party who was a video. And I really basic.
Ebizo na entimi an capture mo nyina nso ai.
Oh sir, Hong Kong there, day 2025. Yeah, well, a lot of technology. For the cyber security for the Jinkoma. Any panucha the picture. Now using imaging techniques, sir. A bit more fishing the panel from the crowd. That technology no. Okay. Was cyber security unit so Ghana police service or it's a that cannot be an excuse. So that's it.
Okay.
It is over there Hong Kong there. No video recording of the see them what there. Depends on why the facts that this person denies minimum no one hot there. As I said, come with me and say, me no clip the minutes 20 and 9 minutes 15. Then I'm sat there white jam in Nambi. And the first na intimacy. Secondly, no. Depends on what them new BSC activities because so activities because so there. Video there in the activities no. That was that video anymore. Activities when they come once. Or just say my can say young formal groups into 20. That groups more formal like a video recording to do. But explanation of what they man say. Or more formal groups in the could do pen so bin. And I'm America say you know light. So I got that you say yeah no light and go for the say or light. Just you know say video that do a more. MC the case or more technical problem the light in the call. It's an answer to the Agradaa can on into. Fine, only the Agradaa can into more. Or the Yanka near or more, no, must say, on board the code, no, them can the engine too. The YouTube activities from 1 to 10. And they do best activities, 6 live medical offer. At least 1 to 5 when they should be in the video. But it is not in it. So that's it. The third point in the say, mostly or promising for so betiska. Obi Baba Hobia no Ebenyebi. Video a better court, the prosecutor and the buy, and the court in the who's a mammy Jessica. It was a mammy gentleman. That will video him. That's what the judge can say. Or more if you say my almost Jessica are rather collaborators. And that's where we are. You say, police why you push him. Or more to me, so much in the baby hours as this. It is a video for the police wording. Our markers are the back quarter. So, community room say, Sanko for a day, my missus can be a collaborator, sir. Second better, no matter how more abatement, and the conspiracy, and all the equal offenses. But charge Biasa and the court to the knee. The company say now, we say, my minister now on your own, because they are rather collaborators. So that's it. It's also video, no. I don't say better court, and then what team will buy now. Yeah, the argument said, Mamma and Wabatan, you're trying to okay.
Now, say was say say when you say Mamma and Wabatan, now to look for an offer as lawyer.
Also, as lawyers, we can advise. What advice is the power of power?
Somebody said, I'm going to comment media or the social media. Never need to go na ye into it for, but the foot to the medical or power. Okay, and Tianshe, say more your someone suggested, and I'm planning to go for the appeal. No, appeal for conviction or sentencing.
Both. Yeah, but it's a corporation wrong and sentencing of the certificate hash too much. Legitimate crime percent the panel for 15 years is that too much.
Okay, into my miss away. Say Mona Mote Emrase. Say what you say conventional and no idea there. Adenti and answer now obe pronounce on the sentence. No. As lawyer, you were pleading for her to temper justice with mercy.
Okay. There I'm going to prove here. So, any panel, sir, what the original that come so pleading, say, or a guilty and also guilty, or a guilty and also guilty. Yeah, I feel man say, oh, prosecutor, Obo the question for a dancer or bra. What that dancer by a better to nano. If we are judging the ruling, there is a case to answer. Case to answer, if the defense number. A defense number, court already in the judgment number, or by convicting, and also by acquitting. Or creating we are before sentencing, as a lawyers, a plea mitigation. To her, because I was now, I moved to your mercy seat.
Yes. Yes.
And the judgment needs to be in the issue. And then just have the one Abacasa judge and say, you know, Judge Nocasavi, so that's it.
Okay.
Nocasavi, on any yard here, or my pounds or what, at that point, now, all the pronounced sentence, the open can be now penalty. Now, so training back home. So that's it.
Okay.
So we are the one pet, the acquisition, or the accord.
Okay.
It's another normal procedure.
Oh, okay.
The fact that we need to do something instead of can we? But just now, no judge, no, they ever judging yet.
Okay.
Just
okay. That's fine. That's fine. Now, Yanshe, say, a big can say, some are called full trial. A banner say, more quack J and home crata, say, we send a better power.
It was a better, but yes, so say, you manage a country. It has a tram, I say, or finding in our answer. Okay. Bra, almost work you on that thing.
Okay.
So, I can say, what you say, or data carta, Monday, not the Falivia, or the miner. And I'm more over the case near the record. Okay. The record, you will fool judgment on the pet and the.
Oh, okay. Ain't you mobile? I appealing pending. Appeal pending bill and answer a sign and Modi and Beko.
Yeah, appeal no fit. If you are not appeal bill, nothing at all.
Okay, say, what's it? Oh, you have appeal no first.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Ain't you Chiremukakra? The sentences, no, and a sentence no they no kind pa because a man for be cancel 15 5 years I was 7 concurrently chiremu say na 15 baako and 15 mienu I was 7 concurrently and Chartanic de no so final ho ahe.
Okay, 5 counts. So the medical count 4 count 5 no there. Wa kwetin. Oja no say no di for ya ho. But count 1 to count 3 no count 1 no ye charlatanic advertisement. And on amount of 25 penalty units. Okay. In default 30 days. 25 penalty units. The unit be 12 cedis. So calculate it's about 300 cedis. Either you pay that or you spend 30 days.
Okay.
Under 2 counts of defrauding by false pretenses. But could be a normal 15 years to run concurrently. In this case, that's one level.
Okay. Yes. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, that's a pa. Na say when you abon enkomo enti mo share mo process ni bia say for the appeal so you be there chi na ya hwe ba bia be wakodru. We wish you all the best, lawyer.
All right, thank you.
All right, enti.
Now, Agradaa advert say odini birthday 3 billion said the lawyer echichiri mu no into ochichiska na odibeto TV so all night omukoye ya ekowie say amanfo ye gisika ye gisika na Agradaa after say omoye all night ni wie ye no omukofie no ochiche bi musika transport lorry fare ochiche omoje ye bi bo 10 cedis 20 cedis ni ade eno na lawyer no eche say judge ni say sankofo ni nyina ye collaborators omukana Agradaa ho just to get some evidence say ochiche ska ampa no anyi obi asika
Obi Chowska.
The lawyer actually say ankani esa ankofo no ade ntina judge ne enchi omo nka ho because omo so aboa dwirimudie
but judge na say ma can say omo a ihu video mu say omo saka sika ni bi no we collaborators. Now don't you think say police for your investigation if it is true say confirm Jesus can be were collaborators now they would have arrested them and charged them with conspiracy and not even with what do you call it
aiding and abetting. Yeah, aiding and abetting and all of that.
Abetting, it is a process for a young musician. Did not see the need to for you. Bet your money as charge you more with abetment in those inchoate offenses. Not just out to go. Oh, no, go out of your way to say the people who are seen on the video collecting the money, no, collaborators, who say, yeah. And
the judge in the judgment, no state, he said. Your collaborators or cancer.
That's what he said in open court. So Agradaa can be collaborators. And why were they not arrested and charged with abetment of crime?
Yes. In Tianonso, one of the grounds are more share. Which other ground? I heard you say, eventually Sika or client edgy free or more as a 540 or so, and you think say that money need too small to warrant a 15-year jail term. Sanity.
Oh, besides a lawyer. It is how the engine to put a 7 in a car. What do you see? Amount to the 540. That's warrant 15 years imprisonment. They actually say, my men and one bad time. And it be something can be in a commodity, being what it's been in Manasso. Anna, yeah, fashion national. But yeah, my
say, Uniman so say factors are court eshe and some of mama sentence, no. Neoma bebre into the frequency of that offense in a particular community, the nature of the offense, the severity of the offense, and how nipananka sanso and huaba semono onunso so your first time offender on your first time offender. All of those factors the courts no consider. And if at a particular time on mining in a drew level I say Sam Numa we across with TV so near deno and yo, then the court will take judicial notice of that and ebe show in the sentence a court nebema. No?
Questionable search as a lawyer me. Had the attorney said they all describe the charlatanic advertisement.
Sure.
Say yeah, publicity animal. No clue the prosecution the judgment betraying. In the year 2021, they are convicted Agradaa on those charlatanic advertisements. But charlatanic advertisement is a misdemeanor. It's a misdemeanor.
Yes.
So how can that be a reason to explain away an imposition of 15-year jail term?
But there's also defrauding by false pretense. And,
yes, but no court has previously found her guilty of that offense.
But it should not be about that specific offense.
That is true. But I'm saying is what people are seeking to say is she has been previously convicted, and I'm saying the conviction, I think is that they are convicted on any of the motor offences, which are misdemeanor. Yes. That's what be a conviction on a felony. Can we bring that one in to warrant a severe or harsh sentence?
Oh, okay. And this is here in more appeal, no. And I know, say you don't want to put your strategy out any other, but in more appeal, no. Are you going to appeal the sentencing and as a conviction, no? Which is which?
Both.
Oh, you do both.
We believe the conviction is wrong. The conviction is wrong.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And what that means, they say there would be a motion to stay jail term, no pending appeal, right?
Yes, we will apply for bail pending appeal. Yes. Because now say as a CFP as a man and Che Anna Abranti Bia jailing what 23 years. I feel you who say Bra convicted no Nantesa. On says somebody banaji one year Ubedi dominati now punishing the pan but the two boys are the now say Nantesa. Yeah, you move there say video evidence. Then you know the court where then the pan so nimunwa. I think it's a threshold requirement for the prosecution to point us. So share video here complainant you on a number activities in a number.
Yeah.
Yeah. As you say, you know, and jail 15 years.
Because when you because a criminal trial into
the standard should be higher.
Standard higher beyond reasonable doubt. Into a complainant and number it should be the complainant and none other person. Yeah. And there should be no doubt about that. Until let's see how the appellate court will deal with this particular matter. By himself or client or other cases before other courts. No correct.
Also problem back where media no one is this year no. This is the second judgment in respect of Agradaa. Bako she won, but the media was not interested in it. We na nkwa mano and the media na just na ma no odi hu ya. Say the man stand the court, but the people were meeting kunim, but obi anka ho asem. We ya nkwa mame no and obi aka. Yeah. And your other cases that we are pursuing and we are confident of the outcome.
Council, Mame Nasi, Bibi, any a best in Comobio. Why?
Yo,